Mini Z Sports FHS. And we are putting in the Dasmikro. Probably said that wrong, so let's not worry about it. Dasmikro MRO3 ASF board. Never done this before, so you're gonna go ahead and learn right along with me. Let's go ahead and pull out the tools and let's get to undoing. Well, looks like I'm gonna take this cover off here. And now we have this all by itself. Who knows what this is? Okay, now we're gonna get our little tool here. Give this just a small pop-a-rooney. You can see that. Just a small light pop. Oh, boom. Pop. Popped it. Okay, now we're gonna reveal what I have no idea what we're gonna reveal. Be careful. It seems to be caught up on the little antenna. Oh, boom. Revealed. I'm gonna go ahead and unsolder all that. Okay, we're gonna unsolder the switch first of all. One at a time if we can get it. Boom. One. Two. Look at that thing. I mean, I am no expert, but that looks inadequate. You want to see adequate right now?
Boom.
So I'm gonna extend the positive wire here. Found some 22 gauge PN Racing motor wires that I'm gonna replace that thing with. Those should be perfect. Oh yeah, they're perfect. So here we go, bro. Here we go, bro. Put a little more on there just for old time's sakes, man. We got the servo negative, servo positive, negative pot, 3 volt, and then whatever that is, the yellow wire. Just to prove that it all works, I will show you while my dinner is burning, probably.